Happy Thursday, new viewers and old friends. Alex Mashinsky got arrested and is charged by the SEC. Thank God, because that man is one of the crypto herps that won't go away. We've also got a Ripple Labs lawyer quitting. Oh, interesting. What's going on with that? XRP Price talk, got your back. CME Fed Group, yep, rate hike is coming, everyone. What's up, girlfriend? I'll tell you what's up. It's the crypto market moving sideways based on CPI, PPI data. Got some juicy stories for you today. Let's get into it. 30,600 price of Bitcoin. ETH 1883, XRP highlight show sitting at 47.3 with XLM moving sideways last 24 hours sitting at 9.7 cents. The SEC is suing crypto lender Celsius and CEO Alex Mashinsky. The SEC is suing bankrupt lender Celsius and Mashinsky for 4 counts of fraud and 1 count of security violations per a court filing on Thursday. Hey, that's today. That's breaking news. That's why you hit the subscribe button. Before going under last summer, the platform offered its users high interest rates for depositing their idle crypto via its Earn Interest program. This program was touted as a safe investment. Hold up, girlfriend. I think they were lying. Now the SEC alleges that Celsius and Mashinsky misrepresented Celsius' central business model and the risks to investors by claiming that Celsius did not make uncollateralized loans and the company did not engage in risky trading. What crypto firm out there is not engaged in risky trading? Come on, everyone. They're degen gambling with your crypto. The commission also alleges that these claims were false and that this information was hidden before investors before Celsius filed bankruptcy. The SEC is demanding that Mashinsky be prohibited from buying, offering, and selling cryptocurrencies, to be disgorged of all ill-gotten gains in the form of benefits, any kind derived from the legal conduct alleged. Yes, ban this for life. Ban this crypto herpes scumbag for life. He doesn't really have herpes. He's the herpes of crypto, right? Like it never really goes away. The problem is this. We recently learned 44 million lumens. That's a lot. In terms of the volume that trades, not the circulating supply, but the actual daily trading volume, Mashinsky's Celsius UAK arm liquidated 44 million in lumens. Yeah. He better not be on your list of people you like. He's a scumbag. Oh, there's this court filing. As always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Jury trial demanded. I see it right here. Hold up. My sources, though, unlike some of the other bad YouTubers out there, are trustworthy. We've all seen the channels where they're like, trust me, bro. Trust my sources. I can't reveal them. Well, I'll reveal mine. It's the actual court documents. No FUD here, just facts, baby. Another article, just because I wanted to rub it in his face, just throwing it out. Mashinsky's a piece of crap. Mashinsky, your FTXs, your Do-Kwon, they're all fucking losers. CZ, Brian Armstrong. Oh, we were talking in a live stream yesterday about Brian Armstrong's tweets that he's trying to get rid of. By the way, did you know that Armstrong called Ripple and Stellar both distractions to Bitcoin? And he doesn't really understand why people are focusing on Ripple and Stellar. Yeah, he's trying to delete that stuff. Payment firm Circle to make marginal job cuts across markets, Singapore included. All right, Circle, USDC, got in trouble with the S-banks. Silicon Valley, Silvergate, you know what I'm talking about. Why? Because the reserves were in U.S. banks. And as the bond gap increased and U.S. banks had problems and there were cash crunches on these U.S. banks, well, Circle lost a ton of their USDC support. A ton of it. Now, with that happening, Circle's got to cut back some jobs. That's why you see Circle out there going, yo, we want this stable coin and this. They're just trying to gain jobs. They don't give a shit what country or what coin. No, they just want jobs. So whether they're working on the euro, the yen, whatever the hell it is, they just want jobs. Circle. Started to become less and less a fan of Circle. Why is the crypto market down today? It's not down anymore. It was down early this morning and it's rebounded a little bit. Has to do with CPI data. CPI data came out yesterday. Not good, girlfriend. Came out at 3.0. Now 3.0 is way lower than the 4.0 of the previous month, which is awesome. Trust me, that is awesome. The problem was housing was freakishly high. New cars are still high. Food was still high. Non-alcoholic beverages were still high. Grains and cereal were still high. There's a lot of things that are still very high, and the housing one is the one that Jerome Powell talks about all the time. He has said time and time again, if housing does not cool down, we have to keep aggressive with rates. Well, guess what, everyone? Housing isn't cooling down. Talked about it in depth on the live stream yesterday, so if you were there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Housing prices are staying up, inventories are way down, so the whole supply and demand metric is pretty up, isn't it? Right now, 92.4% of traders that make money on this Action CME Fed group are saying that yes, Jerome Powell this time around is going to raise rates. When would that meeting date be? Anyone? 26th of July. Coming up here in a couple weeks. Breaking news, XRP attorney to withdraw from the US SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. According to a filing in the Southern District of New York, July 12th, a motion for Anna R. Gressel to withdraw as attorney of the defendant of Ripple Labs is filed with the court. Ripple requested to the court that Anna Gressel withdraw as attorney and record for the US SEC lawsuit. It follows Anna Gressel is no more associated with the law firm effective of July 12th. Now, there's probably going to be some channels out there that might be like, oh, this is bad news. Oh, no, there's lawyers quitting. They're going to lose. No. When you have a high-profile case like this, it's pretty common for people that do good work in these high-profile cases to be picked, whatever the hell you want to call it, by larger firms. These larger firms are like, yo, Anna, we heard you were doing some pretty juicy stuff here with the Ripple Labs thing. We're very impressed. We'd like to offer you some fat stacks. Now, granted, they did not offer her fat crypto. That would have been wrong and kind of ironic based on the case that she was just defending. But I guarantee you she got an offer from another firm out there, and this is a stepping stone for her. So as you hear stories about stuff like this, the lawyering, the work has pretty much been done. Like 99% of the court work is done. Now, if she would have quit earlier on, I would have been a little bit more concerned. But right now, the ball is in Torres's lap. So yeah, the lawyer's being done. I've got no problem with that, and it's not going to affect the case at all. In fact, Anna, if you did get a better job offer somewhere else and they offered you paper company, congratulations, ma'am. You deserve it, because I know you probably got run through the mud, and there were probably so many anti-XRP people out there that were probably giving you shit. Good job, Anna. You go, girl. XRP price talk. All right. Had some funky movements yesterday with CPI data, because at first everyone's like, yo, CPI is at 3.0, we're kicking ass. And then they read the report where they're like, shelter is counting for 70% of this report. That's a lot. So as the market started digesting this, as the market started reading this report, we started seeing the market kind of bump up and down, and we're all like, what the is going on? They were digesting the report to see the long-term effects. And the long-term effect is this. Money is going to become more expensive when? Well, the 26th of July. So if money is going to become more expensive, business growth, investing in crypto, buying a home, buying a car, a whole bunch of retail and consumer-based things are going to be more expensive. If right now crypto is fueled by the consumers in retail, and stuff's about to get more expensive for consumers in retail, what does that mean? There's less money for crypto because you got to pay your home loan. Got to pay your car loan. Hey, if you need a new car, guess what? Your car payment's more than double what it was, a year and a half ago? Yeah. So all that extra money is gone. So don't look for XRP to make any big moves here until economic conditions improve. Now, that doesn't mean that XRP can't see any pumps or rallies. Let's be real here. Let's zoom out the last 6 months. You see some pumps, some rallies. It's only happening, though, when the Korean exchanges are pumping that stuff up. So unless we get some help from the Korean exchanges out there and other Asian markets, don't look for XRP to have a rally until we hear something from Torres. So you got lawyers quitting the case, which isn't such a bad deal. You've got the US SEC going after Mashinsky, which I'm sitting here going, God, why did it take so long? It's after a year after they did their bankruptcy filing. Things in the United States just don't happen fast. This thing is really fast. I've gotten it up to almost 33 miles an hour. Pretty cool, huh? But with XRP price action, seriously, we're all waiting for the Torres stuff. And right now, the only thing that's really been pumping XRP has been, yes, Korean exchanges, just ramping up volume on it. So until that happens, look for XRP price to be kind of soft. Not soft in terms of us going negative, but soft as in there's no hard action. Speaking of hard action, pre-burn, I'm going to hit the road bike, get up on these aero bars for some hard action. You cool cats, hold up. Got to put my helmet on for this one. You cool cats, have a great rest of your day.